But one of the things that holds a lot of people back is they're scared to suck, right? Is there any area of your life that you want to improve upon? Maybe your health, maybe you're 50 to 100 pounds overweight, maybe your business, maybe your finances, maybe you're 100,000 in debt, or you're broke as a joke and you're so freaking broke that you're just ashamed of yourself and you're like, you know what? I can't even start my eBay business because I'm so broke that I'm embarrassed, or you're embarrassed to go to the gym because you're so overweight. Hey, what's happening, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com. Coming back to you with another video. And I just got done, well, I turned off the TV, but I was practicing salsa. And I want to make this video talking about my salsa dancing, which you may or may not know is a new adventure that I've been on the last 8 weeks. Follow me at Instagram. You get a good laugh at where I started and even where I am today. But one of the things that holds a lot of people back is they're scared to suck. Right? Is there any area of your life that you want to improve upon? Maybe your health, maybe you're 50 to 100 pounds overweight, maybe your business, maybe your finances, maybe you're 100,000 in debt, or you're broke as a joke and you're so freaking broke that you're just ashamed of yourself and you're like, you know what? I can't even start my eBay business because I'm so broke that I'm embarrassed, or you're embarrassed to go to the gym because you're so overweight and you're scared of what people are going to think, or maybe you want to learn how to salsa dance like myself, but you never start. Because you think to yourself, I'm so bad that everyone's gonna realize I'm a moron, that I'm an idiot, that I'm a loser, that I stink so bad. And a lot of us, we're walking around with this ego that we're so scared to get hurt. And one thing that I learned about Tony Robbins at the Date with Destiny event, and over the next couple weeks and months, I'll be sharing little tidbits and tips that I learned, is that the quality of our life is in direct correlation to how much uncertainty we can deal with, right? Uncertainty. An example of that might be you're 100 pounds overweight and you're going to start going to the gym. You're going to start following a diet. You're going to start working out. But you're so uncertain because you've never done this before. If you failed in the past, you don't know if you're going to be able to make it. That's uncertainty. Starting to dance salsa, that's uncertainty. You know, especially if you're like me in the past, I used to quit everything that I would start, right? I've got a video coming out soon, and I'm not sure when this video is going to post, but there's a video talking about the Raiken Profit before Raiken Profit. I used to be a completely different person. Locked up in jail, smoking weed. I was 60, 70 pounds overweight. I was $23,000 in debt. And anything I would start, I would quit. Any new venture, any new business, anything I started, I would just quit and I would give up. And it's hard sometimes to deal with uncertainty when you were a quitter like myself. You know, over time I've learned that sticking with things and sucking at first, and starting a business when you're broke, and going to the gym when you're overweight, and learning salsa when you feel like you got two left feet. Having that courage and that bravery, you gotta pat yourself on the back, because that's how champions are born, right? That's how growth begins. That's the seed. That's the beginning of success. And anyone that you know right now who is fit and healthy, or financially abundant, or really happy, or an amazing relationship, they started from zero. They started from square one, right where you are today. So never be ashamed if you suck at something. Start soaking up those weaknesses and those insecurities. And that's one thing I'm doing on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go over and follow me at Raiken Profit, because I'm showcasing lots of losses, lots of challenges that I'm dealing with. And unfortunately, a lot of people follow me and they see 138,000 subs and they see this journey I've been on and they think that I'm amazing in all areas of life, and that's farthest from the truth. I'm struggling. I'm dealing with challenges, ups and downs, peaks and valleys all the time, and I want to share that because that vulnerability is where we all need to start. So hopefully you guys found this message in the right place. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Really, the main goal of this video was, you know what? You want to get somewhere. You want a result. You've got a goal. Don't stop yourself from starting because you stink and you're bad or you look like an idiot. Embrace that suck, because 3, 6, 9, 12 months, 2 years, 5 years down the road, when you're amazing and everyone's saying he got lucky or she got lucky or she's got great genetics or this and that, all this BS, you're going to know, you know what? I worked my ass off when things were so hard and no one believed in me. Now look at me, baby.